Yes, my girl, Steve, now ask my idiot question. I'm a thump you down. Ask the question now.
This is big as you saying vote for you.
Oh, yes.
To the world. Yes.
Yeah, put it.
Why? Chatbot. Yes, goody. Yes, goody. Show them the steam fisher, okra body, the susumba, the cassava, the dashing, the boiled dumpling with cornmeal in it. Yes, goody.
Spot 11. The last contestant to make it into the top 10 is Jamaica.
Yes! Jesus Christ! Lord have mercy! Hi, Mr. Davina. Look on the frog. Look how it load. No, look how it load. Look how the... Hey! Are we still a win? Are you so nice? No, I can't hear all my life right now. Yes, my girl. You hear Jamaica? You hear them about Jamaica? Hey, goodie.
The first contestant with the chance to become the next Miss Universe is Jamaica.
Yes! Lord God, them ban me from Twitter, but them can't ban me from the gram. Hey, when I go up on the run back a carve out. Hey, make sure when I run back a carve out that crown there. Cause the regular crown can't go upon that.
The final five is Jamaica.
Yes! Jesus Christ! Look here! Yeah! Lord God! Oi, oi.
Here is the question. What quality in yourself are you most proud of? And how will you apply that quality to your time as Miss Universe?
Thank you. The most quality that I'm most appreciative of is my drive, my determination. I am the founder of a foundation that spreads awareness for the deaf community. And this platform is such a great platform to just let persons know that these persons need opportunities and need equal opportunities as those in society. And so this universe competition will be the platform for me to use this foundation to spread awareness for all the deaf people around. Thank you.
Well done! Give them the queen look, Davina. Yeah, oh, you mean? Why? Shake out some of the coconut oil in your ear pandemic, you know. Steve, nobody make no mistake. Tonight, another night feet. And that me I tell you. I hope you get good sleep last night. Look how she's outstanding.
The second runner-up for Miss Universe is Jamaica.
Yes! Yeah, you gone through anyway. Touch it.